Good evening. This is constitutional attorney Catherine Henry, and this is the preview of episode 42 of Restore Freedom Weekly, streaming live tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitch, Rumble, and DLive, and shared with you afterwards on social media and your favorite podcasting platforms. Tomorrow's topic is Florida's Proposal 1, 2, and 3, and Michigan's Proposal 1 and 2. Good, bad, constitutional, the constitutionality of remaining Michigan and Florida proposals, special property tax exemptions for certain public service workers, property tax exemptions for flood mitigation, abolishment of the Constitutional Revision Commission, term limits and financial reporting requirements, ID-less voting, state-funded voting conveniences, private election funding. Make sure to join us tomorrow on our quest to restore Freedom Weekly.